Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda Renee and we'll be doing another product comparison video. In this video we'll be comparing the African Pride curling cream, an all-time fave of mine, to the Curl Style Milk from Ors Curlshow. So if you're interested in seeing how both of these will work on a flat twist out on my type 4 natural hair, definitely keep on watching. So I have my hair sectioned and this side is going to be the Curl Style Milk and this side is going to be the African Pride Curling Cream. So I will start off with the Curl Style Milk. I already have leave-in conditioner in my hair because this was freshly washed last night. So we're just going to go in with just a regular flat twist. This is not a tutorial. This is really just me doing a flat twist on camera. This is what the Curl Style Milk looks like. If this is your first time seeing this product on my channel, this is what it looks like. It has a similar consistency to the African Pride curling cream. Note I said similar. This one is creamy, whereas the African Pride curling cream has a little more of sticky consistency, not sticky in a bad way, but just more so mixed with gel components, but we will get into that a little later. It's still a curling cream, it still acts like a curling cream, so that's why I'm comparing the two. Then we're just going to do a flat twist. So this is what the first one is looking like. I'm actually kind of intrigued to see how well this will hold up as a flat twist out, so we will see what the hold gives this coming week. So this is it done, and I'm going to complete the others off camera, then get back to the African Pride Moisture Miracle side. Alrighty, so the Curl Style Milk is completed. I'll just show you quickly before moving on to the African Pride side. I'm really intrigued to see how this will dry, if my hair will be moisturized. I am really looking forward to seeing the results. So we'll move on to the African Pride side quickly. And pretty much the same thing that I did over the Curlshow side is what I will do for the African Pride side. So just taking this section of hair, tucking the rest away. The consistency of the African Pride curling cream. If you look carefully, you will see that as I turn it, it actually moves. So I am actually looking forward. You see, it's very similar to the Curlshow style milk, so I am actually looking forward to seeing how both results will differ and be similar. So let's go. And we are back with the African Pride side. Alrighty, so right off the back, I think that the African Pride side has a little more hold than the Curlshow. Speaking subject to correction, of course, because when I take these flat twists out, we will see how well my hair is defined, the hold and the moisture. So I'm really looking forward to seeing those results, so stay tuned for that. Alrighty, y'all, so this is day 4 here. My hair looks crusty. We won't speak on that, but we will take down the flat twist now. This side is the African Pride and this side is the ORS. So I think that I will just pin the ORS side up and just focus on the African Pride. So we will see these results. I had a lot to do, so it was a good time for my hair to remain in these flat twists, and it also got time to set, which I very much like. Don't mind the frizz, but yeah, we will get to that. One thing about me, I don't think I enjoy taking down flat twists just because I haven't perfected my technique, and even when I used to use oils to unravel my hair, I just never got the hang of separating my flat twists well. But we will see how this flat twist out goes. Who knows, I may actually like it. Who knows? Alrighty, so this is the first one undone, and to be honest, I just want to see how the rest of my hair will go. So we will see. I'll be back when it's time to unravel the ORS side. Alrighty, so here is the African Pride side. And now I will move on to the ORS side. Then I will come back to share my full review. So stay tuned. Okay, so here is the ORS side. And before we get into the review, I would be lying if I said that I liked my hair. I don't like my hair at the moment. My technique needs work, but let's go on to the review. So we'll be assessing the moisture, the definition, and the hold. So in the moisture department, actually this side, the ORS side, definitely feels a lot more moisturized than the African Pride Moisture Miracle. So with that being said, I am going to give the ORS a 9 out of 10 and the African Pride a 7.5 out of 10, because the African Pride isn't that dry, but I can tell that it's going to get drier as the days go by, whereas this side feels nice and moisturized still. Now the definition, I honestly cannot pick a side. Both look okay, so I will give the definition a 7 out of 10 in both departments, keeping in mind that my hair was in the flat twist for 4 days and my hair got frizzy, and also keeping in mind that I still need to work on my flat twist technique, but based on the roots, I can definitely say that both get a 7 out of 10. Now for the hold, I believe that the African Pride will stay longer than the ORS. The ORS side feels very soft, hence the moisture being really high. So I am not expecting the curls to necessarily last. So with that being said, for the hold, I am giving the ORS a 7 out of 10, and the African Pride I'll be giving an 8, just because from previous experiences my hair has held up with the African Pride curling cream. I overall think that the African Pride is a much better option in terms of definition and just overall hold. But if you are looking for a styler that gives more moisture, definitely go the curl style milk route. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. If you liked it, leave a like, and if you want to see more content from me, subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you never miss an upload from me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.